Guys, come, let me show you something. This can only be in Japan. If you know of any other country, let me know in the comment section. This is what we call vending machine, right? Vending machine is a kind of machine that, dispense drinks, food items, depending on the kind of vending machine actually. But this is actually on my campus, right? We have different kind of vending machine in different places, from the public places to building apartments to schools to different kind of places. You can just be walking around and just see a vending machine beside you, different places. More than 4 million of these across Japan, and this is the one in my apartment. So you can see different kind of drinks with their prices. You can see 170 yen, 140 yen. You see different kind of drinks, Pepsi, different kind of drinks. Yes, let me show you how you can purchase from the vending machine. But before then, I want to show you how this machine is working. This machine is actually using electricity. You see? Can you see where they plug the machine? Yes. So let me proceed to buy something. Let's say I want to buy this lemon. Yes. Let's say lemon. I want to buy lemon. You see? No, so this dot is saying that there's no lemon drink for now, right? It's going to be restocked, right? The companies come here regularly to fill up those drinks. You see, Suntory. You see, Suntory. That's the name of the factory that produces most of these drinks. So they come here regularly to restock and all of that. You get. So now let me proceed to get another drink. Let's say Pepsi Cola. All right. Let me get Pepsi Cola. Pepsi Cola is 170 yen, right? So now this is the terminal to pay. Can you see? This is for coins. This is for coins. The least this machine can accept is 10 yen. Up to 500 yen. So for cash, for the paper, so you can see this is 1,000. It can accept only 1,000, right? So now should I try? Okay, let me try with 1,000 yen, right? Of course, I have coins too, but let me just try. Let me just show you. You see, 100 yen. You see, 100 yen. And this is 50 yen. You see, 50 yen. Then I'll proceed to pay. Can you see? All right. So then press what I want to buy. Now it's bring the drink. Can you see? Can you see the drink here? And can you see? Pick up my drinks. Here you see. And then my change. Yeah, this is the change. Isn't this amazing, guys? See? And this drink is very chilled. One thing about this machine is it refrigerates and it heats up drinks depending on the weather and all. So, do you think this can be in Nigeria or in Africa? What's your thought? Do you have this in your country? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.